Hello again everybody. We're at the back of the complex now, Block E, sorry, which is where I am. Now this, it was a bit unscripted, so you have to excuse me on the state of the apartment when we get in, but I thought I'd show you it. I mean, keys are kept in here, got a little key lock. You get given a combination once you've booked and paid. Coming through a security door. Always make sure it's shut. I mean, now there are lights, so if it's at night, there's a light switch here and here that light up the stairs and that lot, so you can see where you're going if the lights aren't already on. It does get a bit dark here, so it may go dark momentarily until I switch a light on. Find it. Where are you? There you are. We are here, 107. Again, please excuse the mess. But yeah, as you come in, you've got your kitchen on your right. You've got your cooker, your washing machine, your microwave, your fridge, freezer, etc. You've got everything you need. Spatulas and that, cutlery, etc. is in there. There's no actual drawers here on this one, which I did notice. A lot of them you do have like drawers like we do back at home, but there is cutlery in that provided. Toaster, kettle, sink, hob, the usual. Dining table here, phone for the intercom, light switches. Most of the lights here are fanned. There's two of them. Now, if you like me, come in here off season. If it does get a bit chilly, you've got heating. Heating works fine in this apartment. I can't say for every apartment because I haven't stayed in every apartment, but you know, and to be honest with you, I haven't stayed out of season with the exception of this trip, so I've never had to use the heaters before, but in this one they're fine. Broadband, 200 megabit connection, I think that is, something like that. Settees and that lot's decorated. We'll have a look at the view in just a minute. We'll do the rest first. TV, all the Sky channels, so plus loads more, so you can get everything you can back home. It can be a bit flaky because it runs through the internet. Sometimes the internet isn't the best, but here is where you would set your timing for the boiler and that lot. Hot water is electric. Coming to the bathroom, again, excuse the mess. As usual. Seeing this little cabinet there to put toiletries or whatever in. I'll just chuck mine anywhere, mate. So it's a sink and that lot. Like I said, it's a shower and bath. Painted iron bath, I think they are. Or this one is. It's a little bit echoey, so excuse me. You've got your loo. And that's about it in here. Again, the heaters work fully. Excuse me, let's just pull these curtains back. So yeah, you've got a patio windows here, so you can walk out onto the terrace. I've got my case out there, I'll just dump it up there. Again, another electric heater in here, mirror. That's the bed. Again, excuse the mess. Cupboard either side, there's lights on either side, they're fully working. Again, here, another fan. Light. There's your old heating and, what's it called? Cooling, sorry, not heating. Couple of storage cupboards up there. You can't use that one, it's padlocked, but in here there is a safe, so you can put your money and that lot in a safe. It's key, which I've got on here. It's like a normal key lock safe. Towels and that lot, bedding. Oh, there's an ironing board in there. Look, I haven't even looked in this one, if I'm being honest with you. Ironing board and iron. I normally bring my own. So yeah, you can hang your clothes up and that lot. Like I say, it's got aircon in that room. Aircon in this room as well. We're going to take a look outside, shall we? So this is an end apartment as well. I think it's an end or near end. It's quite, the veranda is quite big actually compared to a lot of them. In fact, I don't think it is an end. I think there's another door. So, oh yeah, there is one. It's a bit smaller though. But so you've got dustpan, brush, brooms and that lot if you need to sweep up. Some golf clubs in here. Golf, you think. So yeah, it's quite big. That's a bedroom we were just in. So you've got quite a lot of space out here, seating. And that's your view. So like I say, it's a beautiful view, especially at night. But yeah, for I think sub £300 for a week, you can't really complain, can you? Well, I'm not complaining anyway. So yeah, check out my other video. I did a video of like a walk from the Alexander the Great up to the complex and through the complex, so you can see the pools and that lot as well. And if you've got any questions or anything, just ask away down below, and I'll see you on the next one.